I'm Phil Pecorino, and this deals with ethics. The difference between rule utility and act utility. Act utility would be an approach to ethics where the good is whatever results in the greatest amount of utility or benefit or satisfaction of the interest of the greatest number of people related to the action being considered for that one particular occasion, that one particular act. It's a one-time only consideration, and thus it's called act, the one act utility, versus rule utility, which would be the same approach, what produces the greatest benefit, satisfaction of the interest or advantage, the greatest number of people related to the action being considered, but not just for this one act. For this one act and for all similar acts under similar circumstances, what would produce the greatest amount of benefit or the greatest utility. There is an important difference in the two approaches. Often, what constitutes the good under act utility might not be so considered under rule utility. For example, to cheat on an exam in one particular case, one particular situation, might produce the greatest amount of benefit or satisfy the interest of the greatest possible number of people. Those who do the cheating, even the instructors who give higher grades, families and friends of those who have cheated and gotten higher grades. So, immediately, it seems that it would offer the greatest amount of benefit. However, if cheating were something to be repeated under similar circumstances by all people, then what would be the result? Would it satisfy the advantage, the benefit, the satisfaction of the interest of the greatest number of people? No, not likely, because people could not rely on the outcomes of examinations for doctors and lawyers or those preparing for those careers as engineers and what have you, and thus society not well served by people who didn't have the knowledge in the first place absolutely necessary for them to conduct the affairs of a doctor, a lawyer, an engineer. And so mistakes are likely to occur, errors are likely to occur, and the public is not well served by such a rule that cheating is to be permitted. So under act utility, one time only, cheating might be the morally good thing to do. Under rule utility, not likely.